In this video, we will be discussing about the characteristics of C language. Very important in the point of interviews. First point is C language is strictly case sensitive language. What is that? Case sensitive. Strictly case sensitive language. What is meant by case sensitive? Actually, there are three types of cases. Means uppercase, lowercase and mixed case. Three cases. One is uppercase, lowercase, mixed case. For suppose see, this is uppercase. All are capital letters and this is in small letters. This is lowercase. And mixed case means, for suppose first letter is a capital and remaining letters are small. Means mixing of upper and lowercase characters is called mixed case. We can write in these three types: uppercase, lowercase and mixed case. Here case sensitive means if I write in the program apple like this, capital letters. In remaining statements, if I use like this, both are different. Okay, this is different from this. This is called case sensitive language. For suppose small int is different from capital I, small nt. Both are different. This is called a case sensitive. Very important. Printf. In C language, there is a predefined function. Function means that is a subprogram. This printf program is already written. That is present in libraries, C libraries. Printf is used to print any statement at output screen. Here, this is a predefined function. For suppose instead of this, if I use capital P and remaining letters are small letters, then this is wrong. C compiler does not identify this is a printf because there is a letter capital. Each and every letter is small, already defined like this, printf. Okay, if you use like this is wrong. This is called a case sensitive. In real time examples, take Gmail passwords. For suppose my Gmail password is like this, capital A, small a's and 1, 2, 3. This is my Gmail password, for example. Okay. For suppose while login, I use like this. All are small letters. Will it accept? No, it will not accept. Because this is a case sensitive. I created like this. But by logging into Gmail, I use it like this. Both are different. Gmail passwords are case sensitive. Like that, C language is a case sensitive language. C is a strictly case sensitive language. Now, second point is every statement in a program must be ends with a semicolon. What is the symbol? Semicolon. Actually, program means a set of statements. For suppose these are statements. Each and every statement must be ends with a semicolon symbol. Okay, this semicolon symbol is called line terminator. It terminates this line and this symbol, this semicolon terminates this line. Okay. Each and every statement must be ends with a semicolon symbol. That is called line terminator. And the third point is, what is the first point? C is strictly case sensitive. What is the second point? Each and every statement ends with a semicolon symbol. And third statement is compound statements must be within flower brackets. What is meant by a compound statement? For suppose this is only one statement. Each and every statement ends with a semicolon. Okay, this is called a single statement. or instruction or a command. For suppose there are many statements, number of statements related to one condition. If one condition is true, I want to execute all these 4 statements. This is called a compound statement. Collection of more than one statement is nothing but a compound statement. Okay. Compound statements must be within curly brackets or flower brackets. These flower brackets are called delimiters. For suppose in C language there is a control structure if. If control structure, if within brackets write a condition, don't give semicolon at the end, okay, because semicolon is a line terminator. I don't want to terminate this. I want to execute these statements when this condition is true. This is the syntax of if control structure, okay. If within brackets or within parenthesis there is a condition. If this condition is true, control comes to here, it will execute all these statements. More than one statement is there, that's why this is called a compound statement. Every compound statement must be within flower brackets. These flower brackets are nothing but delimiters. For suppose there are no flower brackets. If this condition is true, control comes to here. It will not execute these 3 statements. It will execute only one statement related to this condition. Because there are no flower brackets. This is not a compound statement. This is a single statement. This is another single one. This is another single statement. If you want to mention more than one statement is a single statement, means a compound statement, take flower brackets. Next point is functions should followed by parenthesis. Functions. Suppose see printf, already discussed. Printf is a predefined function. All are in small letters. Don't use the capital letters because this is a predefined. And C is a strictly case sensitive language, so use like that. Printf. Every function should followed by parenthesis. What is meant by a function? Function is a predefined program. Without writing a program for this function, simply call this function to use. So printf. Printf, after that there are normal brackets. These are called parenthesis. Okay. Printf and brackets. But suppose another function that is scanf. All are small letters, scanf and brackets. And each and every program should contain main function, main. Okay, main brackets. This is another function. This main is not predefined. This is user defined. I want to write my coding, my statements within this main function. Each and every function should followed by parenthesis. In this video, we discussed about the characteristics of a C language. I explained only 4 points of characteristics. One is strictly case sensitive language, and second one is every statement should end with a semicolon symbol. That semicolon is nothing but a line terminator. And third point is every compound statement must be within curly brackets. Those are called delimiters. And fourth point is every function should followed by these brackets, parenthesis. Okay, I hope you understand all these things. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. For more videos, please do subscribe, share to your friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.